Let's face it, many people fear you. 75% of adults experience some degree of dental fear, from mild to severe. 5 to 10% have dental phobia, who avoid dental care at all costs. What is it with dentists? When people were asked to think about the last time they searched for health and medical information, as well as doctors or other health professionals, a huge majority said that they began at a search engine such as Google, Bing, or Yahoo. If they find you, is their fear of dentists eliminated? Will they be delighted to have found you as their friendly local dentist? Can they find you on search engines at all? And here's something more for you to sink your teeth into. This is the percentage of smartphone owners who gather health information, as well as information about health-related services on their phones. Is your website mobile-friendly? A survey finds that of those adults who use the internet, many of them have looked online for information about health topics, such as specific diseases or treatments. Many internet users have read someone else's commentary or experience about health or medical issues on an online news group, website, or blog. And a growing number of internet users have watched an online video about health or medical issues. Are there positive reviews about your dental office online? If your answer to any of these questions is no, do not fret. This is no cause for suicide. There's a lot you can do to make your dental practice more searchable and accessible online, and most of all, appealing to your target patients. You can engage more people in social media and make them like you. You can build and expand your own brand. We can help you with that. We provide responsive web design, SEO, local buzz, online reputation management, social media optimization, PPC and remarketing, website audit, brand and content optimization, and much, much more. So smile, fill out the form, or call us now and make an appointment. Let us give you a pleasant drill down of our services. Allow us to extract all the information we need from you to help you with your online marketing.